Here is a simple question. Which of these two numbers is larger? 2 to the power of 3, or 3 to the power of 2? Well, 2 cubed is 8, and 3 squared is 9. The larger base wins. Easy, but let's try 4 to the power of 5, versus 5 to the power of 4. 4 to the 5th is 1024. But 5 to the 4th is only 625. Suddenly, the smaller base wins. And if we try 2 to the 4, versus 4 to the 2? They are both 16. It's a tie. The rule seems chaotic. To find the truth, we need the Titan match e to the pi, versus pi to the e. Let's stop guessing and use algebra. We are comparing x to the y, versus y to the x. Exponents are hard to compare visually. We need a tool to bring them down to earth, the natural logarithm. If we take the log of both sides, the inequality relationship stays the same. Using log rules, the exponents drop to the front. We get y times ln, x, versus x times ln, y. Now, the master stroke. Divide both sides by x times y. Look at this symmetry. We are now comparing ln, x, over x, against ln, y, over y. This changes everything. We don't need to compare two different numbers anymore. We just need to look at one function, f, x, equals natural log x over x. If we graph this, the winner is simply whoever is higher up on this mountain. The graph rises sharply, peaks, and then falls forever. We need the absolute summit. Using calculus, we take the derivative and set it to 0. The peak occurs exactly at Euler's number, e. Since e, approximately 2.718, is the peak, numbers closer to e result in higher values. This has a fascinating consequence in computer science. We use binary, base 2. But 3 is actually closer to e than 2 is. The distance is shorter. This means a ternary computer, using base 3, is theoretically more efficient than binary. The Soviet Union actually built one, the Ceton, in 1958. It was a glimpse into an alternate timeline of computing. So, back to our Titan match. E to the pi, versus pi to the e. Since e is the global maximum of our function, e beats everyone. Even pi. Therefore, e to the pi is larger. Mathematics shows us that e isn't just about interest rates. It is the number of maximum efficiency in the universe.